The Maintenance Act. December 7th, 2005. Section 1. Short title. This act may be cited as the Maintenance Act. Part 1. Preliminary. Section 2. Interpretation. Cohabit means to live together in a conjugal relationship outside marriage. Collecting officer means the accountant appointed in each parish pursuant to Section 41A, subsection 1 Part B of the Judicial Resident Magistrate Act. Court means a resident magistrate judge or court referred to in Section 3. Dependent means a person to whom another person has an obligation to provide support under this act. Maintenance order means an order made under this act for the maintenance of a dependent. Minor means a person under the age of 18 years. Respondent means a person who, pursuant to this act, has an obligation to maintain another person. That's the respondent. You are the respondent if another person goes to the court for you to maintain them. Single woman or single man, used with reference to the definition of spouse, includes a widow or a widower, respectfully. So in this case, single woman would be the widow, can be a widow. Single man, that can be a widower. Or a single person can be a divorcee. Spouse includes a single woman who, for a period of not less than 5 years, has cohabited with a single man as if she were in law his wife, and a single man who, for a period of not less than 5 years, has cohabited with a single woman as if he were in law her husband. Application for maintenance order. That's section 3. Subsection 1. Subject to subsection 2. A person may apply to the resident magistrate court in the parish in which the person resides, or, as the case may be, to the family court for a maintenance order in accordance with the provisions of this act. So if you're going to apply for a maintenance order, it must be in the same parish. It cannot be in another parish from which you will live. 2. Subsection 2. In any case where an application is made for the division of property under the Property Rights of Spouses Act, the court hearing the proceedings under the Property Rights of Spouses Act may make a maintenance order in accordance with the provisions of this act. Part 2. Obligation of spouses during marriage or cohabitation. We will look at that in another video.